You won't believe what Samsung just dropped. One UI 8 is finally here with Android 16 baked right in, and it's more than just a visual refresh. We're talking smarter AI, sleeker controls, and features that feel like they came from the future. And if you own a Galaxy S25, you're in for a treat. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're loving these juicy updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the tech curve. Let's dive in, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the surprise feature Samsung snuck in near the end. So Samsung didn't waste any time. Just weeks after wrapping up One UI 7, they've already pushed out the One UI 8 beta to Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra users, starting in Korea, Germany, the US, and the UK. But here's the kicker. Even if you're outside those regions, there's still a way to get in early. Yup, people are already sideloading it, and we've got some spicy details from those first installs. One UI 8 introduces a smarter, more personalized vibe. There's something called the Now bar. Think of it as Samsung's answer to Apple's dynamic Island, but with more bite. Notifications, music controls, quick replies, all from the lock screen, and it's getting even more powerful with this update. And then there's the AI. Samsung's doubling down on smart everything. Your phone now gets better at predicting what you need before you ask. The Now Brief system is like having a mini assistant baked into your home screen. It pulls context-aware suggestions based on your habits, but only shows what actually matters. No clutter, no noise. Battery life geeks, you're gonna love this. One UI 8 simplifies the whole battery protection setup. Gone are the confusing 3 modes. Now it's just basic and maximum, simple, smart, and user-friendly. And in maximum mode, you get to set your own charging limit. Want your phone to stop at 85%? Done. Trying to stretch your battery's lifespan long-term? This is a game changer. Night charging also got a boost. Instead of randomly deciding when to stop charging, your phone now learns your routine and finishes charging just before you wake up. It's like Samsung read your mind or your sleep schedule. But they didn't stop there. The Reminder app got a complete glow-up. Think tile-style cards, cleaner design, faster input. No more digging through nested menus, now it's tap, set, and done. Same with the Calendar app. Adding events and reminders is finally streamlined. You'll wonder how you dealt with the old version. And hey, Galaxy Watch users, One UI 8 isn't skipping you either. A test build has already leaked for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and from what we've seen, it's looking buttery smooth. Cleaner interface, better animations, and updates tailored to round screens. Could Samsung finally be catching up to Apple Watch UX? Early signs say yes. Also, small detail, big impact, Samsung DeX is sharper and more responsive than ever. If you use your phone as a desktop, One UI 8 might make you want to ditch your laptop altogether. Let's talk rollout. Samsung forums, support pages, and even their Tips app have started teasing the update. And there's now a dedicated One UI 8 beta section for the S25 series on the Samsung US community site that's as close to an official wink as it gets. Now the twist, not all devices are getting in. Historically, Fan Edition FE models and maybe even the new S25 Edge won't be part of the beta program. Samsung's keeping this wave limited maybe to keep feedback high quality, or just to build hype. And for those keeping score, yes, One UI 8 is shipping out of the box on the upcoming Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Which means they're not just hardware upgrades, they're the first phones to fully unlock the next-gen software experience. Mark your calendars for Q3. Stable release is expected by September 2025. Meanwhile, Apple's prepping iOS 19. Google's expanding Gemini AI. The race is on, and Samsung clearly doesn't plan to be left behind. One UI 8 might not reinvent the wheel, but it definitely upgrades the ride. Smarter, smoother, and more user-focused than anything we've seen yet. So, are you jumping into the beta, waiting for the stable release, or just here for the wild ride? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay charged, stay curious. Peace out.